everybody, it's Janet and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you the first design team box that I've received from Creative Escape Papercrafting Company. It's pretty exciting. This is the April fully loaded kit, and included in here is going to be first a page of all the items that are listed in this kit, and the owners have done a great job telling you not only what it is but all the brand names and everything, so it's a nice list to reference. The second page you'll find in the kit is telling you more about the brands and also the designers, and here I am listed as a designer in all my social media, so that's pretty exciting, kind of cool to see in print. And then the last page gives you some tips and tricks for how to use the things inside of it. So for example, there are Nuvo flakes, and the company is giving you a little detail about how you can apply them and how to use them, but there's other information, but that's an example. So let's take a look at what's in here. It comes in like a pizza box, 12 by 12 size, and everything comes in this nice envelope so it stays dry in shipment should your box get wet or something like that. And we've got this big cut apart sheet here first of all, and this is all the Flourish collection from Maggie Holmes. And so the papers are all from that, including this cut apart sheet. And so this is nice because you can cut it apart and use it on your cards or tags or whatever you want to do. Now here are the paper sheets. These are 6 by 8 in size. And again, they're the Maggie Holmes Flourish papers. There's 12 of them here. And there's some specialty papers. I'll show you that in a second. But here are those lovely peacocks, the blue roses. Here is gold embossed flowers. That's what makes this kind of the specialty paper, is all that gold like this. Again, pretty carnations and pretty greens, the daisies. Wow, is that one pretty. I love the lemons. This is pink and gold, so pretty, and the black and gold, and then finally just some botanicals. So there's lots of things that can be done with that. And then again, you've got this thing. If you don't cut them apart on the back, it's like a paint by number thing, so it's kind of cool. It gives you another option, I guess, if you don't want to mess with cutting those apart and using them. Now included is this 48 piece ephemera pack, and these gold leaves are cool because they have wire in them and you could shape them to what you want to do. So let's take this apart a little bit and look at the pieces individually. Now the middle packet are kind of the smaller or mid-sized pieces. They're die cuts, and they're nice because there's some here like with vellum and gold, really unique, different pieces. And then you're going to see that they match the papers we had, plus there's just some different metals in here that keep showing up. Now this part of the ephemera pack are the big large flowers and ferns and things. Again, they all match. They're just beautiful, really beautiful. Isn't that great? And I know with all the gold and vellum touches, these are going to be so much fun to work with. Now there are 2 stamp sets in here. There's the 49 and Market set. This is called Vintage Artistry, and there are 9 pieces in it. Then we've got the Only You stamp set from Heidi Swap from the Magnolia Jane collection. So pretty florals and some sentiments here. Then a Lawn Fawn die. It's called Sprig. It's kind of hard to say that, but that's what this is. And it'll make a wreath or a sprig, and it's got the flowers and berries on it too. So you could use that at Christmas as well, I would assume. Now onto the cardstock. This is super, super heavy cardstock. We've got 4 white, 1 craft, 1 pink, and 1 green. So that is 7 sheets. All the cardstocks are super heavy, and the white works well on alcohol markers because I've tested that already. Kit subscribers get this green glitter sheet as well, so that's kind of a nice bonus. Now let's take a look at this little pack. There's just lots and lots of goodies. They just keep coming out of this kit. First, there's 2 pre-cut tags here, and they're also very heavy cardstock, so those will be fun to work with. Then we've got some tags here. They say various things like thank you so much, hello, smile, and the last one says thinking of you. So I'm definitely going to use these. I like the black and white look to them. Now this is a Maggie Holmes Flourish wooden frame. It's really detailed and pretty, and it's going to be great to use on something here inside the kit. like I said, this one is from the Flourish Collection, so it's made to all go together, which is very cool to get all that together in this kit. Now there are 2 more little frames in kind of the plain wood, or natural wood as more like it. And those will be great too to use as focal points. And then there's this sheet of cardstock that is meant to be a backer, but I can see a tag coming out of that, so it'll be interesting to see what I can do with that one. Now in here we've got the Nuvo flakes. These are in rose gold and they are gorgeous. Now it doesn't look like there's much in here, but believe me, I'm going to put that in a jar and it's going to poof up to be quite a lot, probably way more than I'll ever use. So don't be put off by that. There's lots there to work with. Now here's twine. We've got kind of a minty green and white twine. I think there is 1 yard of that. And you can see how that matches these colors, so it's going to go really well with the papers. Then we've got this white twine with a green filament in it. Super pretty, and 1 yard of that is included. There are several different ribbons. This is this really pretty goldish yellow shiny ribbon here, and this is 6/8 of an inch wide, so it's a good size. Then we've got this navy blue, and it's a satin ribbon on both sides. There's 1 yard of that. There's 1 yard of every one, actually. This pink ribbon is really interesting because it has a finish on it the same as curling ribbon does, with some texture, so that'll be fun in the cards also. This last little baggie has some final goodies in it, and what we've got is some natural finish wood hearts. There's 5 of them, and I'm thinking gilding a few of these would be pretty cool. So I'm going to give that a try. Then there are 6 of the Maggie Holmes tassels, which are really cute. There's navy, mint green, and pink. So 2 of each color. That concludes the unboxing of the Creative Escape Papercrafting April Fully Loaded Kit. I'll have the link to this amazing kit and this great company in my video description, so go check that out. I'll be back soon with a 10 cards 1 kit video for you. So take care and keep crafting. Bye.